In the fog-laden streets of 1883 Berlin, Dr. Karl Feustel unveiled a contraption that would send shivers down the spine of anyone who saw it. The Feustel Mechanical Ventilator, sometimes called the steam chest, was a massive brass and iron framework that resembled a sarcophagus more than a medical instrument. Its form was deliberately rigid, a vaulted metallic cage encasing the patient's torso, punctuated by a pressurized bellows system, a yawning mouthpiece, and an array of glass-filled, mercury-sealed tubes that rose like the ribs of a mechanical beast. The external surface was studded with rivets, pressure gauges, and hand-cranked levers, giving the machine the personality of a proto-industrial watchtower. Functionally, the device was designed to tackle a tragic epidemic, diphtheria, and the new wave of laryngeal paralysis that left countless children unable to breathe. By rhythmically compressing and expanding the bellows, the ventilator forced air through the mouthpiece and into the patient's airway, acting as a primitive positive pressure respirator. Operators, often nurses or trained attendants, would watch the ticking gauges to modulate the airflow, attempting to synchronize the machine's rhythm with the patient's natural breath. Though crude by today's standards, the system brought new hope to physicians who previously relied on manual chest compressions or the desperate body bag technique. Aesthetically, the ventilator embraced the Victorian fascination with mechanization and the sublime terror of industrial power. Its glossy brass panels reflected laboratory light in a way that sounded both scientific and ominous, while the exposed gears and steam-whistling pistons evoked the mythic image of a living metal leviathan. The device's visual language, harsh lines, bold engraving, and a monochrome palette of brass and shadow, reinforced the period's belief that salvation could be forged from steel. Legacy-wise, the Feustel Mechanical Ventilator is a forgotten ancestor of the modern intensive care ventilator. Its audacious attempt to replace human respiration signaled a turning point. Medicine could enlist machines to perform the most intimate act of life support. The terror it inspired in its era underscores a timeless truth: technology that looks frightening often hides humanity's deepest urge to save lives. Today, its blueprint survives in museum archives, reminding us that even the most grotesque inventions can lay foundations for life-saving progress.